Hello everyone, I'm Tanveer from India. In this video, we will learn how you can use the Google Drive in Google Classroom to have all your students' assignments at one place so that you may not lost the data which you have received in the form of assignment from the students. So let us see that how it can be happen, how it will happen in Google Classroom and how it is possible. So for that, I will log into my account of Google Classroom and I will visit any of my class so that I can see that how it can be possible in Google Classroom. And for that, let us suppose I have opened a computer science and here I will go to the classwork, and here you can see the option with Google Calendar, that is class drive folder. I just have to click on that and it will automatically open my Google Drive, and in that drive my class name folder will be there. So here you can see that it's my drive and it's a folder that is classroom, and under that I am having a folder computer science, BTech computer science, which is basically my class name. And here you can see that I have two blank quizzes which I have designed for the tutorial of Google Classroom, and this is one assignment on open source software which I have received from one of my student. So I just can double click on that Google Doc option so that I can see the assignment. So here you can see that you can also access your all the assignments in the Google Classrooms. But what if you want to download all these assignments shared by your students and would like to save in an offline folder in your PC or your laptop? So that is not needed if we have an option of class drive folder. So simply you don't have to even create a class drive folder. It will be automatically sync with your Google Drive, and under the folder of classroom you can see all your assignments, all your quiz forms, all your documents which you have used in Google Classroom. So it will make very easier for an educator to access all the assignments received from the students even in Google Classroom under your classwork, under your you can say that the topics which you have created, and in a similar way you can have an access to your Google Drive and you can see all your assignments submitted by the students. So this is a very simplest thing which is given by Google Classroom, that at two places you can access assignment from students. So here in the Google Classroom, here you can see your assignment. So you can click on the view assignment option, and here will be your document which is shared by my student as in the form of assignment. So you can go to this place to see the assignment submitted by your student, or simply you can go to the Google Drive and you will find class wise your assignments submitted by the student. So here you can see that I have only one class, that is computer science. So if you have 100 of classes, then it will be easier for you to jump into the class and see all the assignments submitted by your students. So this is all about how you can see assignment using the class drive folder in Google Classroom. Thank you so much.